go.
Video.
I'm probably not going to remember this tomorrow morning. And then that'll be nice. I don't know if I want to.
And then that'll be nice. Then that'll be nice.
Hey, just get us on video. Hey, Amy, how many drinks have you had?
What?
It's actually true. One and a half. Wow.
No, that's not a half. This is a half.
It costs you like 69 cents to get drunk.
Oh shit.
What?
Sorry
It
about
costs you like 69 cents to get drunk. Jeez. It's impressive.
Are you filming?
No.
Crap.
She's
She's
holding-
filming. Tell me she isn't filming, but she is filming.
She's just holding your camera
Because
back.
I know her. Kylie would do something like that. And now I'm going to embarrass
She's
myself.
waiting for that Kodak moment to arise and she's gonna clip. Oh my god.
You finished? Did you actually drink?
Hey, you wanna do me a favesies?
all.
You wanna do me a favesies?
You did pretty good compared to Amy.
You wanna do me a favesies?
Roll it with your face.
In the far fridge, on the door, there's a carton of milk, like a cardboard carton. Can you bring it? That one over there.
Farthest one.
On the left or the right?
On the right.
This one?
Yeah. The far one.
So where'd the other guy go?
Which one? Gingy?
Huh?
Gingy?
Where's Gingy?
I'm getting older.
Who's Gingy?
That's the Gingy. The tall guy. Robin.
Oh, okay. Where's the other guy?
Which one? Cam?
No, you're Dan.
I said Cam. Cam? Can I play?
That was terrible on you.
I won't play.
Better on me.
Oh wow.
Look at him.
Can I play?
No, yeah, that's I was
Oh,
distracted.
put him in the way. No, the cardboard one.
Yeah.
The
The
plastic.
2-liter card bizzle.
What?
Does look good.
Not the so nice piece of crap either. Same old song and dance. That's a good
You want
one.
a cup?
It's okay, thank you.
Okay.
This is a wicked song. Say
She actually pulled like things to look
I know, it's kind of funny.
Is it like this?
Just get there.
Who's filming?
Yeah, Spider-Man.
There we go. You're getting a picture of this. It's fantastic right here. Get your picture.
Okay.
No, I look absolutely terrible like
No,
that.
no, you look fantastic.
I was drunk. I haven't did anything. And I'm gonna regret this tomorrow morning.
Rob. Rob.
Yeah.